Welcome to our video on finding cheap flights with ChatGPT. In this video, we'll share tips and strategies on how to find the best deals on flights using the power of your own research and analysis. Finding cheap flights can be a challenge, but there are a few things you can do to help you save money on your next trip. One of the most effective strategies is to conduct thorough research and analysis to find the best deals. One way to do this is by comparing flight prices across multiple airlines and travel sites. By comparing prices, you can find the best deals and save money on your flights. Another way is to be flexible with your travel dates and times, as flights at certain times and days of the week may be less expensive than others. ChatGPT can help you in this process by providing helpful tips and advice based on its knowledge and training data. By asking questions and providing your travel preferences, ChatGPT can give you recommendations on which airlines to look into, which dates to consider, and how to find the best deals. Here's an example of how ChatGPT can help you in your search for cheap flights. I wanted to find the cheapest flights from Los Angeles to Tokyo. So, I asked ChatGPT to assist me in finding the cheapest flights. I prompted, "Hi, I would like to see Tokyo and I am located in Los Angeles. So, can you tell me what are the cheapest flights from Los Angeles to Tokyo?" To get information about that, ChatGPT provided helpful advice on various airlines that fly from Los Angeles to Tokyo and suggested using search engines such as Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Kayak to compare prices. ChatGPT also recommended being flexible with travel dates and explained that the cheapest time to fly from Los Angeles to Tokyo is generally during the low season, between November and March. However, ChatGPT noted that prices can vary based on various factors such as seasonal demand and market promotions. Finally, ChatGPT wished me a great trip and offered further assistance with any additional questions or needs. As you can see, ChatGPT can provide you with general insights and advice on how to find the best deals based on its training data. However, to get the most accurate and up-to-date information on available flights and their prices, it's recommended to use a travel search engine or aggregator website. In conclusion, finding cheap flights requires a combination of research, analysis, and flexibility. By comparing prices, being flexible with your travel dates, and utilizing the knowledge and advice provided by ChatGPT, you can save money on your flights and make your travels more affordable. We hope you found this video helpful, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and advice. Thanks for watching.